Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Praise Is What I Do by William Murphy. This song was recorded in the key of E flat. It's a fairly simple song, so I'll just run through the intro and the first couple of verses. Okay. Praise is what I do when I want to get close to you. I lift my hands in praise. Praise is who I am. I'll praise you while I can. Na-na. I vow to praise you in the good and the bad. I'll praise you whether happy or sad. I'll praise you in all I go through, because praise is what I do. I owe it all to you. Okay, so that's fairly simple. You're going to start off on this A flat sus2, okay? This B flat sus2, 2 at B flat, 2 over D to E flat. And you can, type out the melody if you want. To E flat over G, A flat, melody on top, B flat, to C minor. B flat, A flat to E flat over G, F minor 7 to E flat. Just going down the scale. Goes to this A flat 2 again. Dun, dun, dun. Same thing. Okay. There we go. I vow, D flat over F, E flat over G. Now I like the A flat major 9, praise you, to the A flat 6, praise you, the melody note, with a G minor 7 to C minor. Okay? And quickly. So I like to just think of it as B flat minor, the 13. I'll praise you with a happy or sad. Or B flat minor 7, 11. To E flat, praise you. That also works. G minor, go through to C minor, to a C over E, and you can add this too if you want. And we're going to walk up from the 2. Praise is what I do. Now we're going to watch this chord here. D flat major. It all. B flat 9 sus 4 to you. Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing. Just adding some extra movements in there. Okay. Can do that if you want. Big or sad. C minor, B minor 7, B flat minor 7, E flat 7. Totally optional. Go through because praise is what I do. And this because all will to you. Okay, then we do this here. Praise is what I do. It's what I do. Okay, so you're basically playing this E flat. Praise is D flat. What? B major 9. I E flat minor over B flat. So this A flat minor 9. To the D flat. To B flat minor. To E flat sus4. Okay, you can also do this. So I'm just going descending and ascending. So actually that movement, you hear them on the recording after they do this. Let's see. What I do. So E flat over G, A flat minor, to B flat minor 7, to the E flat sus. And that's pretty much the whole song. So A flat minor 9 is what I do. Alright guys, that was Praise Is What I Do. Thank you guys so much, and I will be back with some more tutorials. Take care.